Hello students, welcome in our YouTube channel MLP Group of Schools, and I am Sarita Devi with class 12th HBSC English Grammar, topic use of articles. Students, in yesterday class we discussed on the uses of indefinite articles a and n, and with examples we cleared all the points of indefinite article, and I hope you understood perfectly. And today we are going to discuss on the use of definite article which is called the, where we use definite article the. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss about some names where we use definite article. Here I have collected some nouns before which we use the definite article, and I hope you also will learn all these names with hard work and regular practice so that you can take benefit of it. So let's start. First of all, with the name of mountain ranges we use the. Example, the Himalayas, the Vindhyas. Next is rivers, the Ganga, the Kaveri. Next is the oceans names we use also in definite article. Example, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Oceans, etc. Next is before the name of seas, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea. Next is the islands name, the West Indies, the Andamans. Before the train, ship and planes name also we use they. Let's see example. The trains, the Rajdhani Express, the Punjabi Mail, and ship's name, the Victoria, the Vikrant, and plane's name, the Meghdut, the Ashoka. Same as there are some historical related history events we use they. First is historical buildings. Example, the Taj Mahal, the White House. Next is the historical events we also use the First World War, the Civil War, the Second World War, the Battle of Panipat, etc. With all these events we use the. Next is historical period or age. Example, the Old Stone Age, the Victorian Age, the New Stone Age, etc. Next is the historical caste, the Negroes, the Aryans, etc. And our next topic point is historical empire, means Samraj. Example, the Mughal Empire, the Roman Empire, etc. Topic. Next point, holy books. With the name of holy books we use the Gita, the Bible. And with the name of newspapers we use the Times of India, the Hindu, the Tribune, etc. And next is the magazines names also we use the Competition, Master. And next is the religious community. With religious community we also use the Hindus, the Muslim, the Sikhs. So students, these all are our some nouns where we use, with which we use the definite article the. I repeat again, mountain range, rivers, oceans, seas, island, trains, ship, planes, historical buildings, historical events, historical period and age, historical caste, historical empire, and holy books, newspapers, magazines, religious communities. These all are the names before which we use only definite article the. And now our second point is, it is used before the nouns which there is only one in the world, which is considered only one in the world. Before them we also use the. Example, the sun, the earth, the moon. Next, our third point is, before a noun which is only one in some given situation, not permanent but only given situation, we use the. Example, the director of our school is very kind person, is very noble person. Here director is only one person in the school, so we use here the. Next is, postman has not come yet. It means particular person, postman, the. Next point is, fourth point, before the superlative degree of adjective we use the. Example, Ram is the best player of our team. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. These are only some points of definite article the, but these are not complete points. To continue in this series, we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you.